Training content is traditionally expensive to produce and difficult to update. Every time your process changes, you face expensive reshoots. HeyGen transforms corporate training by making video content as easy to update as a text document. Create comprehensive training programs with consistent presenters who never have a bad day and can deliver material in any language your team speaks. Update outdated information in minutes instead of scheduling reshoot days. Scale your content from 1 learner to 1 million without increasing costs. Organizations use this for onboarding programs, compliance training that actually gets completed, product knowledge videos for sales teams, and skill development courses. Educational institutions develop course content and language learning materials students find more engaging than traditional lectures. The consistency of AI avatars means your training maintains the same energy from first minute to last. Your training investment becomes truly scalable and sustainable. Ready to transform your learning and development? Find your exclusive discount code and direct link in the description and comments below. Like this video and subscribe for more educational technology breakthroughs.